Here's our key for assignment number 3 involving limits as x is approaching positive and negative infinity, as well as asymptotes. We know that when we're taking the limit as x approaches infinity or negative infinity, we're looking for the highest exponent. The highest exponent is located in both the numerator and the denominator here, so we focus on the leading coefficients, and our answer is its ratio, 3 over 5. Same situation for problem number 2. Highest exponent is 1. It's located in both the numerator and denominator. The ratio of the leading coefficients is 1/2. Number 3, we see an x squared in the numerator, but not in the denominator. However, even though we don't see an x squared, we know that this FOILs out into x squared minus 1. So really the highest exponent is still located in the numerator and the denominator, and our limit's going to be 2. For number 4, the highest exponent is only in the denominator. We know when that situation occurs, the limit as x approaches positive or negative infinity will be 0. For number 5, now the highest exponent is only in the numerator. The numerator is growing too fast for the denominator to keep up. Therefore, there's no limit. It does not exist. Number 6, here are the two key terms. That's where the highest exponent is located, 4/9. Number 7, we see the highest exponent seems to be this square right here, but we're taking the square root. So this is actually behaving like the square root of 4x squared, which is 2x. So we have 2x in the numerator and 7x in the denominator, so our answer is 2 over 7. Number 8 is very similar to that, except we're taking the limit as x approaches negative infinity. So what happens is when we plug a negative number into the numerator, it's squared. It becomes positive. The square root of the positive value is positive. So we get a positive value up here. But that negative number does not turn into a positive value in the denominator. It stays negative. 7 times the negative number is a negative number. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. As far as the actual value, well, same thing as before. Square root of 4 is 2, 7, so we have negative 2/7. For number 9, we're interested in this expression that has e to the opposite of x in the numerator as x approaches infinity. Well, let's recall our graph of e to the x. It does this. Now, if we sub in a very large number, right? So we're thinking this, e to the negative infinity, okay? Which isn't actually a number since infinity is not a number. But what's going on? Well, negative infinity is down at this end, and e to the x, the purple curve, is very close to the x-axis, and that value of that purple curve's vertical value, if you will, is 0. So our numerator is 0. The denominator is, infinity plus 1, a billion plus 1, right? That's a huge number. 0 divided by a number is 0. Number 10, the highest exponent in the denominator is x to the 4th. Do we have an x to the 4th in the numerator? Yes, we do. Right? If we distribute this x, that's like a 2x cubed for that first term. Right? Yeah, there's a minus 5x as well. Now, if we FOIL this term with that term, we can see that our numerator is really working like a negative 6x to the 4th. Well, the denominator has 12x to the 4th, so when all is said and done, we have negative 1/2.